Greetings, Internet. I usually do car videos, but I have something different to show you today. It's Christmas and I have some time off, and I decided it would be time to try cooking something I'd never cooked before. So I give you the Beef Wellington. Now, if you look at pictures on the Internet of a photogenic Beef Wellington, this is not what it is supposed to look like. I got a few things wrong in making it. However, I think it should still be at least edible, if not tasty. I'd like to talk a little bit about how I made it. As you can see, it's a beef tenderloin that's wrapped in a pastry crust, and in between there you put some stuffings that are basically mushrooms and onions, and then a layer of prosciutto to hopefully keep the juices from the meat from making your puff pastry soggy. The pastry was store-bought, and it comes in 2 pieces. I had to roll it together, and I don't have a rolling pin, so this is my rolling pin that I got to use. Yeah, if you're using a wine bottle as a rolling pin, you just might be a redneck. So that's enough about that. Gordon Ramsay said to let it rest at least 10 minutes before you start carving it. It's been 18 minutes because I was hoping my refrigerator, which I'm sure you can hear, would stop running, and it insists on continuing. So I'm going to cut some of this off and see what I've got. Okay, here we have a big piece of the end of the pastry crust that broke off during cooking. Not what is supposed to happen. And now I'll see if I can get a slice off. And my pastry crust is falling apart, which is not what is supposed to happen. Giving me a bit of difficulty here. Oh yeah, it's falling all apart. But I can tell you that it smells very, very nice. So, let's see. This is what it looks like. Didn't come out pretty. But, let's try a piece of the pastry. Oh, that is very nice. That is very, very nice. And now I've got another piece of the pastry with some of my filling in there. That's the mushrooms and onions, with a little bit of prosciutto. Oh my! It may not be pretty, but it is delicious. And now I've got a bit of the tenderloin. Oh my! Oh my! Okay, Internet, I'm going to let you go, and I'm going to eat some more of this.